Good evening, folks. Tonight we're putting together a European dish called Schnitzel. Now, probably the most popular variant of this dish is Wiener Schnitzel, which is from Austria. It's made out of veal. But we're not using that tonight, we're using pork. We found a European butcher not far from my home. Talked to this Yugoslavian lady, and she said the best Wiener Schnitzel that she ever tasted came from Yugoslavia, where the cutlet of pork comes from the top shoulder of the hog. Now, there's only 2 pieces of this special cut of meat on each hog, so it is especially designed for this dish. So this shouldn't be confused with Wiener Schnitzel. This is actually Schnitzel served in Germany, Yugoslavia, Switzerland, and many other parts of Europe. So I'm going to show you my rendition of what I learned from this Yugoslavian lady. It's an easy recipe. It's a little bit different than the normal Wiener Schnitzel that you're used to that's made out of veal. But this is a tasty recipe, and we're going to show you exactly how to put this one together. So let's make it happen. Here is this beautiful piece of pork meat we got from this European butcher. Fed, locally produced. We're going to prepare it by pounding it out. We're going to pulverize it. Just got 12 pieces of this. Going to give it a nice flattening out. And once we've done that, we're going to take a couple eggs and beat those up real nice. And that's going to be our wash to bread the pork. As you see here, we're finishing up whipping these eggs into a condition that we can start dipping our specialty cutlets right into the wash first. No seasoning here. Just lay them down into some regular flour, and once we have done covered the pork cutlet to a way that it is completely covered, we're going to add some regular breadcrumbs. That's what the lady at the butcher said her mother used. So we're going to go with her recipe. And once we have all the things laid out, we're simply going to take our floured pork cutlet, run it through the egg wash, and then take it over and encase it with the breadcrumbs. Once that's fully coated, we're going to set that aside and finish off the other pork cutlets. Now we have taken and brought up a combination of oil and dropped our cutlets in there one at a time. Put down some paper towels. This is pork. We want to make sure this is fully cooked, of course. Flip that over. It's nice and golden brown. Pull this thing off of here and get ready for the next order to be prepared. Put it on the paper towel. Now that we have our cutlet completely taken out, a little squeeze of lemon on top, and now we're going to season it with some just simple black pepper and salt, and that is the recipe. Alright, folks, we just finished this delicious Wiener Schnitzel. A little bit of lemon on there. You Slavian lady said light pepper at the end. You see, I seasoned nothing before I cook this. And now let's give this the quintessential taste test. Man, oh man, was that good. Get a chance, you want to cook up some good European Wiener Schnitzel, give this recipe a try. I'm sure you'll find it to your liking. Thanks for watching, and as always, bon appetit.